This presentation will cover Victaulic pipe joining systems, presented by Group 7.
The Victaulic pipe joining system was patented in 1919 by Ernest Tribe, a British Royal Engineer Lieutenant, and Dr. Henry Hellishaw, a renowned engineer. Victaulic is the originator and world's leading producer of mechanical pipe joining solutions. Originally known as the Victory Pipe Joint Company, Victaulic began to market revolutionary new concept in the pipe fitting, couplings, and the pipe connector industry. The concept of the Victory pipe, joining pipe with bolted mechanical groove couplings, originated during World War I for rapid deployment of fuel and water lines to Allied forces, as shown in the picture. Later, combining the words Victory and hydraulics, so the company name was shortened to Victaulic, and the company began to shift its focus to commercial piping applications to market its new innovative method for joining pipes. And today, Victaulic innovative piping technologies and service put people to work faster while increasing safety, ensuring reliable, and maximizing efficiency. The company has 15 major manufacturing facilities and 28 branches worldwide. Victaulic solutions are at work in more than 125 countries across diverse business lines, including oil and gas, chemical, mining, power generation, water and wastewater treatment, military and marine, as well as commercial building and fire protection.
A pipe coupling provides a method of joining the ends of two pipes together. The preferred pipe coupling system is the Victaulic coupling. The Victaulic pipe joining system provides a flexible pipe joint while allowing for expansion, contraction, and deflection. The operating temperature is dependent upon the gasket and/or the seal selection, while providing a reliable method of joining the pipes together in a cost-effective way for a wide range of uses. The easy assembly of the coupling system allows for time and labor-saving costs associated with installation. By reducing the time and cost, the Victaulic pipe joining system provides an effective alternative to welding and flange connections. The pipe joining system can be used for different types of fluids and at different temperatures and pressure ranges, depending on the application. For example, the coupling system can be used for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems in regards to facilitating the flow of air. On the other hand, the coupling system can be used in the transportation of oil at high temperatures and pressures.
The Victaulic system is comprised of 4 elements: grooved piping, gasket, coupling housing, nuts, and bolts. The benefit of the system: the Victaulic grooved system for joining pipes is 3 to 5 times faster to install than welding, and it's easier and more reliable than threading or flanging pipe, resulting in less installation time and easier replacement of piping components. Plus, the new line of installation-ready couplings is twice as fast as existing groove couplings, with no loose parts to disassemble the coupling quickly.
A cutaway cross-section of a Victaulic pipe connection can be seen here. Couplings usually consist of 2 standard bolts with heavy-duty hex nuts that can be installed using hand tools or a power impact tool. Upon inspection, grooves can be seen cut into the surface of the pipes that will be joined. It is in these grooves that the Victaulic coupling housing sits. Tightening the bolts and nuts engages the housing keys into the grooves, allowing the housing to grip the pipes, keeping them from sliding laterally. The surface of the 2 housings must meet solidly between the head of the bolt and the securing nut that will provide visual confirmation of a proper assembly and joint integrity once the nut is properly torqued. The cutaway also shows the placement of the gasket held within the Victaulic pipe system. The coupling clamps fully encompass the gasket and provide mechanical strength to the pipe joint. As the bolts are tightened on the housing, The gasket is compressed, creating a compression seal around the connected pipes. This seal keeps any gas or fluid moving within the piping system from escaping.
Piping systems in earthquake-prone areas can be exposed to forces and deflections beyond normal static conditions. This causes the pipes to fail when these new forces exceed the piping system's capability to accommodate this change. The Victaulic system provides many mechanical design features that are useful in systems exposed to earthquake conditions. This is due to the Victaulic flexible coupling's native ability to attenuate vibrations and sound throughout its structure. This was successfully tested at NASA's Vibration and Acoustic Test Facility, VATF for short, against double-sphere rubber connectors and stainless steel braided pump connectors for typical HVAC pump speeds. The test results show that in all sizes, the vibration attenuation provided by the Victaulic flexible couplings installed in close proximity to the source of vibration exceeded the vibration attenuation characteristics of the other products tested, as we can see in the graphs shown at the bottom of the slide. Victaulic flexible couplings, such as styles 75, 77, 177, and 177N, just to mention a few, allow for controlled pipe movement within the coupling while maintaining a positive seal and self-restraint joint. The design permits for expansion, contraction, and deflection generated by the thermal changes, building or ground settlement, and seismic activity. The couplings minimize noise and vibration transmission generated by pumps or other equipment to the piping system because they are not rigidly fixed to the pipe, as opposed to the welded and flanged or threaded joints. Also, the elastomer gasket within each coupling and the pipe end gap attenuates system vibration. The continuous use of Victaulic couplings throughout the piping system will furthermore reduce the transmission of vibration. As we have seen, the Victaulic joints have an innate ability to damp vibrations. While this helps the system resist damage from light seismic movement, sometimes in case of anticipated large differential movements between piping, it may be necessary to use a seismic swing joint. These joints allow for simultaneous movement in all directions, which adds flexibility to the system, helping reduce pipe stress and potential system damage.
There are many different style couplings, each designed to meet various specifications according to assembly requirements. In this case, we have a Victaulic standard flexible coupling, style 77, consisting of a two-piece cross-rib clamp. The clamp is the main concept behind Victaulic couplings. This particular clamp is made from carbon steel, which are available in sizes ranging from 20 to 600 millimeters, and which can work with pressures up to 6,900 kilopascals. The gasket to be used will depend on the temperature. Grade E is suitable for temperatures between negative 34 degrees Celsius and 110 degrees Celsius, while grade T is suitable for temperatures between negative 29 degrees Celsius and 82 degrees Celsius.
Victaulic's specialty is in gasket system technology. They offer a variety of fittings that alternates from welding, threading, and flanging to join two or more pipes together. They offer from fire protection systems to couplers, elbows, crosses, and other fittings used in the gas and oil industry. The fittings offered have different types of schedules, meaning the thickness and the quality of the pipe, to be able to handle the strong pressure and strains that a pipe would stand in its lifetime. They can also vary from the materials they're made of, depending on the project and the purpose of the pipe, which can vary from copper to stainless steel to line and coated fittings. Some of the most advanced fittings and couplers that they offer are patterned as advanced groove systems, which are the strongest Victaulic mechanical assembly in its class, which revolutionized the fire protection industry. Other options include the installation-rated fittings, which are meant for copper and steel mechanical piping systems. Victaulic also introduced an expansion joint coupling known as Style 152A, which is meant for pulverized coal boiler feed lines. Their flexible installation was introduced during World War I for the soldiers to use in the battlefield to repair main pipelines without the use of welding or soldering.
This has been a presentation of Victaulic piping systems by Group 7. Thank you for watching.